little boys walk into a drugstore. One is 9 years old and the other is 4 years old. The oldest boy grabs a box of tampons from the shelf and carries it to the register. The cashier asks, "Oh, these must be for your mom." The boy replies, "Nope, not for my mom." The cashier says, "Well, they must be for your sister then." The boy responds, "No, not for my sister either." The cashier, now curious, asks, "Oh, not for your mom and not for your sister, then who are they for?" The boy replies, "They are for my little brother." The cashier is surprised. "Your little brother? But why?" The boy explains, "Well, yeah, they say on TV that you can swim and you can ride a bike if you wear one of these things. And my little brother can't do either of those two things."